Good morning, Morgan. Good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are looking in on this video this morning. Today is going to be a relatively short video, not because the del statement or delete statement is simple, it's not. In fact, it's actually very complex. I could probably make several videos on all the different things you can do with this command. It's very powerful. But we're just going to introduce it now because this is introduction to Python. And it's one of these statements that you'll grow to understand it better as you become more exposed to it. So in the example, very straightforward. We create a list and then we delete things out of the list. And we're going to walk through a few very simple examples of that in this video. Okay, all right. But before we run the code, let's go ahead and take a look at the manual and let's read through that really quickly. All right, all right. And here we are in the old boring manual. Let's go ahead and hit the click button and get this done.
Python Training Video 21. 5.2, the del statement. There is a way to remove an item from a list given its index instead of its value, the del statement. This differs from the pop method, which returns a value. The del statement can also be used to remove slices from a list or clear the entire list, which we did earlier by assignment of an empty list to the slice. For example,
and we don't care about the examples because we're going to go run them right now. All right. Now, I'm hoping you guys are starting to become familiar with the index and how it works, okay? All right, because it's useful. All right, let's go and let's run this code and let's take a look at the output. All right, well, we've run the code and let's see what we got. Okay, what's the first thing we do? We create this list. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's got 6 members. All right, here's the first delete statement where we wanted to delete what the member at index 0, which would be the -1. And boom, oh, look, it did it. Now, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Well, let's take a look at the output and figure this out. Okay, we got a 2 dots and a 4. All right. So it looks like it went to index 2, and then okay, so this is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like it took out the third member and the fourth member. Okay, so the 2 must mean where it wants you to start, and the 4 must be where it wants you to stop. Okay, because both of the triple threes are gone. All right, all right. Now, delete A, double. It just kills all the members, just takes them all out. Okay, all right. So here you can specify a single member that you want deleted. Here we had a range. I guess they called that a slice. And here we just wiped out the whole list. I guess you could do the same thing by just, deleting the list instead of just deleting all its members. But I guess you'd do this if you needed to reuse the list, maybe. I don't know. There's no telling what kind of programming problems you're going to run across when you're coding, but you'll have a time when you'll do something like that. All right? All right. So that's it for this video. I told you it was going to be a short one. Let's go and get out there and enjoy your day. All right? All right.